we live?
Yep.
Yes. Great.
Okay. Woo!
Just like
tricky
last
this morning.
week. Yeah, it was the same last week.
Oh,
I was here by
gosh.
myself. I ended up having the iPad like right in front of my face. It worked, I think. But we again are having login issues to log into our streaming service that makes us go live on Facebook and YouTube. So again, unfortunately today, this Friday, we are only going live on Instagram, but we will repost it on Facebook.
Yes. So we'll keep track of your comments right here. They're right in front of us. So thank you for leaving your comments. JL Mommy says good morning. A lot of people are joining.
Good.
Yes. Let us know how you're doing, where you're at.
Yes, we love to know where you're coming from. We love to see everyone joining all over the country and all over the world.
I know, it's so exciting. It's definitely fun. All right, Retha, what are we going to talk about today?
Well, we are going to talk about our oil, Planting Kindness oil for the month, and then we also have a super quick, easy DIY for everyone today that I personally do all the time at home because it refreshes my whole entire house. I know it's like getting deep, it's cleaning, and I also love how Citrus Burst is like, if you listen to the way our customers use Citrus Burst is like the #1 oil that our customers use when they're moving into like a new home or a home that might have, a little bit of a smell from animals or cigarette or stale because it's been sitting a while. Citrus Burst is the #1 oil. So I'm excited to talk about that and all the other awesome things about Citrus Burst. That's what we're talking about today. So if you have any questions while we're talking about this, please let us know. We do have this easy DIY, and we're going to be giving some products away as well.
Yep. So, we got people joining from New York, from Orlando. Ash Anthony says, I'm obsessed with Citrus Burst, just ran out, and we just moved into our new home.
Oh, good.
This is the perfect time to get it because $5 of this purchase is going to go to Friends of Animals.
I wrote it down to make sure I got the right name.
Which is such an amazing organization that I never even knew about until we decided to do this. So I really encourage you guys to look at the blog and go over to their website. Just even going through all of their recent legal wins that they've had to really encourage just great support for wild animals and for their homes, and it's a really beautiful organization. So if you love animals, even if you don't, I really encourage you to go over and check out all the amazing things that they're doing.
And you know what I love about Plant Therapy's Planting Kindness? Since we've been doing this, we are choosing organizations that we've never heard of, that a lot of our customers haven't heard of, but organizations that were recommended to us, and organizations that cover just a huge, vast
spectrum of issues
of needs and issues and concerns that people have. I mean, so we might have one that you might not be as interested in that organization or supporting that, and then the next month it might be something you're extremely passionate about. So we love that we're really hitting just so many different areas that people are passionate about, and this one specifically to focus to help with animals. So again, for our Planting Kindness for the month of August, so it's almost over. We only have a week left, less than a week, I think. Every purchase of our Citrus Burst blend of any size, we will donate $5. Plant Therapy will donate $5 to Friends of Animals. So make sure, like Katrina said, there's a blog post that has a ton of information. It has a DIY on it, a foaming hand soap DIY with this, and then it has a ton of information of Friends of Animals as well, that organization. So go check it out. You only have a few days left, and if you purchase Citrus Burst any size, Plant Therapy will donate $5 to that organization.
That's
so
great.
Pretty cool.
Super cool.
Yeah. So Katrina.
Yes.
What are some benefits of Citrus Burst? Why do we love Citrus Burst? Why do our customers love Citrus Burst?
It is so fresh and energizing. That's my thing. It's like that burst of morning sunshine to me. Like, it's bright, it wakes you up, it gets you that energy going, if it's a pre-workout, if you're having a hard time getting out of bed. And then just getting rid of, those stale odors. This has some really strong citruses in it, like Mei Chang is a really good one that just really purifies the air, gets those stale smells out of the environment. It's really, really nice to just freshen up and just get that sense of like, oh, my home is clean, it's bright, it's lovely.
Yeah,
This
it's
is
a
the
bit
blend.
more intense than just like your regular lemon and orange citrus.
Mhm.
I think that Maychang really adds like a
Definitely.
much more intense citrus punch to it.
Definitely.
But the oils that you'll find in this are pink grapefruit, lemon, lime, Maychang, sweet orange, and green mandarin. So it covers that full spectrum of citruses.
Just
and
like a
it
big
is-
bowl of fruit.
Yeah, but it's so much stronger, I think, than what you would expect from your regular
Yeah,
citruses.
definitely.
So it just, and I think that's why it does so good at just like freshening up the air, helping with those stale, is that the
Yeah.
right word?
Yeah, stale, like musty. You know,
Yeah.
just that. Ugh.
And also like animal, if you're moving into a house that had pets, helping with that aroma, or helping with getting rid of cigarette smoke in a
Yes.
home or
Yeah.
a car. Over and over again, this is the number one oil that we recommend, and the number one oil that we see our customers using and giving their feedback on, and they love.
Yeah.
And this oil, what is it? What's the reviews? 4.9?
It's a good
I
one.
think it's
yeah.
4.9 stars reviews or something, or 4.8. Like, it is, the reviews are amazing. So if you're not sold on it, like, go check out the reviews
Yeah.
because they will sell you.
They
like,
will.
every single person who uses this absolutely loves it.
Yes.
It's really awesome. And then also just a couple, like, safety notes. The reason we did choose this blend for the Friends of Animals organization that we're donating to this month is because it is pup and pony safe. So you can safely diffuse this in a home with your pets. It is technically not kid safe. That is due to the Maychang and for topical reasons, but you can diffuse this safely in a home with children
Yes,
as well.
absolutely.
So completely safe to diffuse in your home with children, with pets. That's why
Yeah.
we chose this oil for
That's
this.
right. And the super easy DIY. We can't
Yes.
really think of an easier, quicker one to do to be able to use this and get those benefits like right away.
Do we have any questions real fast on this oil?
Let's check.
Or maybe not on the oil?
Is it pet safe if diluted for cleaning purposes? I have 2 cats.
Yes.
Yes, this is a pet safe oil.
And for cleaning purposes, you're wiping it up. That
Yeah,
wouldn't be a problem with cats.
Absolutely. Let me scroll up
So
here.
good.
Ash Anthony says ordering Citrus Burst now.
This
Love
is just
it.
like the yellow and green Skittles. That's what, take the rest of the Skittles out. This is yellow
Yeah.
and green, like what yellow and green Skittles taste like.
Yep.
Oh, it's so fresh. It's just like
Mhm.
so fresh.
Yeah. So no questions, which is awesome. We have had this blend for quite a while, so it's
Yeah.
definitely one of our classics and just a oldie but a goodie.
Here, I realize I have this up. I'm going to pull up those reviews because I know they're just like insane how everyone loves this.
Yes.
So I am just pulling up this blend really fast.
Jail Mommy says my dogs keep getting into the house. I need some to clean the air. Absolutely.
It will work. It will work, and you will love the aroma.
Mm-hmm.
It's so amazing.
And it's such a cost-effective blend too.
Okay, it's all loading. Okay, so it has almost 1,200 reviews on Plant Therapy's website. So on other places like Amazon where we sell it, there will be other reviews, but just from planttherapy.com customers, it has almost 1,200 reviews at a 4.9 star rating.
Yes.
Almost perfect with almost 1,200. We need 3 more reviews, and we will have 1,200 reviews. Can you believe
I
that?
know, that's amazing.
That is absolutely insane. 4.9 star, almost a perfect star rating. I can't even believe it. So awesome. Okay, so quick DIY that we have for you today is a carpet refresher.
Yeah. I mean, it's a 2-ingredient carpet refresher too. You just need some baking soda. And you can kind of eyeball this one too. The great thing about when you do DIYs that are for cleaning, and there's not as many safety concerns, is you can really customize it a little more. You could add less drops, more drops, depending on that kind of scent that you want. So
for about a cup, if we were doing about a cup of baking soda, I'm trying to think, I probably do anywhere from like 10 to 25 drops in about a cup, I would say. So
Absolutely.
maybe a little bit stronger for this. And one of the great things about using baking soda in cleaning, as most people know, it absorbs scents as well, right? So I have no idea how many drops I did, but
It's
and look
beautiful.
can we show them that color? Can you all
Yes.
see that color? Holy schmoles, I don't know if you can see
beautiful.
that, but it's just this intense orange.
Oh, and that smells so good.
it's so good.
Yep, so you're gonna stir it up. You're gonna see some chunks there. That's good. Break them up.
Yep, you're just gonna break up those chunks. I usually use just a fork at my house,
Yeah.
honestly. We're using a
A little
little,
whisk here. A fork would be a great idea.
Yeah,
So you kind
and
of
just
like smash them down.
smash
a little
up
bit.
them.
Yep.
This is seriously such an easy
Smells like
DIY.
Fruit Loops.
Yeah, it does. And I love this DIY. I do it with so many oils. I do it with like my Germ Destroyer, my Germ Fighter. Often Citrus Burst is an absolute when I do it at my house.
Yeah.
And then once you get it all mixed and the clumps become a lot smaller, so it kind of becomes like the texture of like sand or the look of sand more than, you know, big clumps of the oil in it. Then what I do is in my same bowl, like you could use like a Parmesan shaker or
Yes.
something, but in my
Yeah.
same bowl, I honestly just like walk around my house with my little fork and just like,
Yeah.
you know, just knock the baking soda out on the carpet. Then you're going to let it sit for like really as much time as you can, 10 to 30 minutes
I usually
probably.
do like 10 minutes. I'm not very patient, but you can definitely make
If
it
the
sit longer
kids
if
aren't
you
there,
want.
I'll have it sit longer. And that baking soda and the oil is soaking into your carpet. It's cleaning, like disinfecting your carpets. It's soaking up all, you know, any nasties that's in there. So you're just gonna let it sit. That baking soda is gonna soak it all up. The oil is gonna help the scent with the scent and refreshing the carpet. Then you vacuum it up. Done.
And that's it. And your house smells amazing.
Amazing. It smells so good. And I always love to tell this like story when we're talking about carpet refreshers because Paul's wife, so Paul's my brother, Paul's wife, my sister-in-law, she has a nose like nobody else. She can smell scents from like she'll be talking about something that she's smelling and the rest of her are like, we have no idea what you're talking about. None of us smell it, but she does. So I had used Germ Fighter in a carpet refresher in my carpets like almost a week ago. So this was like a few years ago, but it had been like a week since I had done it. And she comes over and I was like, put your nose in my carpet, literally. Put your nose in my carpet and tell me if you smell anything. So she bends down, she puts her nose in my carpet. This is almost a week later, and she comes up and she's like, oh, I smell like orange and clove and cinnamon. And I was like, yeah, you do.
Yes, you do.
So even that much later,
Yeah.
she could still smell the oils in my carpet.
Yeah, I
like
love
it
that.
still kept my house fresh, and I could still smell how fresh and clean my house smelled. But she like put her nose and she could smell the oils. It was so fantastic.
The other thing that I love doing with oils, and especially one like Citrus Burst, is sprinkling a little on my car mat.
Oh, yeah.
And then, you know, your car heats up and it really puts that aroma. And this one's great too because it's so invigorating. It's really going to help you feel really alert when you're driving. So that is another really quick, because it's passive diffusion.
You know,
You're just sprinkling it on your car mats as long as you don't mind, you know, that there's oils right there. Like it is a great, super easy way to use it, and it just freshens your car, makes you feel alert.
I also think
puts
that's
you in a good
brilliant
mood.
because I don't need to go get my car washed and get a nice vacuum, and I should totally do this before I go
Yeah.
vacuum it out too.
Definitely.
Let it sit there for a little bit, put it on, wait, then go get my car washed, then vacuum it all up too. That would be
Helps
so
with those
clean.
little kid smells and all
Ooh.
the things.
And I have and also it was my birthday yesterday, and we went out to dinner, and my daughter really wanted to bring her leftover food home. And we get in the car this morning to take them to school, and that leftover food was in my car, and now my car's still
smelling
so
there.
bad.
Well, perfect. So you get yourself some
Perfect
Citrus
time.
Burst.
I'm gonna do it. Okay,
Awesome.
any questions? This is so easy. Such an easy
So
DIY.
easy. Watts Diane is saying, please show the recipe again. Really, we just added some baking soda. It's about a cup worth, and
This is the recipe.
10 to 30 drops depending on how strong you want. That's it. Two
Baking soda
ingredients, easy
and
peasy.
your oil.
Yep.
We're using Citrus Burst. That's it. That's all you need. Let it sit on your carpet. You just want like a nice little, you don't want to like intense, right? It's just like a nice little spritz all over your carpet. Let it sit for 10 to 30 minutes, vacuum it up, and your carpet and house will smell so fresh. And your carpet will be clean.
Clean. Yes.
That's what I love too. Like it, baking soda and the oils get down in there and it will be clean.
Yeah.
So
Andy CT is saying, I poke holes through a mason jar lid to create
Oh,
a shaker. So
brilliant.
that's a really
Yeah.
good idea if you don't have a little shaker. But again, like Retha said, you can just flick it out into your carpet, you know.
I could even maybe just show you like right here how I do it. So I just like put this kind of a big bowl. I use like a, anyways, I just go around on my carpet like this. You see that? Can you see that? I don't actually know if you can see that. That's it. That's what I do. Like, come on.
Too easy.
It's not that fancy. That's all I do. And it just is like, oh, that smells so good.
I know.
I want to do it some more.
It really, to me, this smells a lot like just Fruit Loops times 100.
Times such fresh
Yeah,
yumminess.
super fresh.
That's easy. So easy. Okay, if you have left a comment on this live, we're going to quickly scroll through
Okay.
and choose a winner to win Citrus Burst. Okay, my eyes are closed. You just scroll. Stop.
CD Church 2018, and she said happy birthday.
Aw, thank you. CD Church 2018.
Yep.
You just won yourself a Citrus Burst. Thanks for participating in our live. We appreciate it. Email cs@planttherapy.com, confirm your mailing address, and we will get a Citrus Burst sent to you.
Can we do another one?
Yeah.
Okay. Someone stop.
Gonna make you scroll a little bit longer.
Okay.
Stop.
Oh, Andy CT.
And
The girl with the poking the holes in her mason jar. That's the comment that won you. I scrolled right back up to it.
Oh, I love it.
Yeah.
Okay, so email cs@planttherapy.com, confirm your mailing address, and we will also send you a Citrus Burst.
Yes.
So congratulations, you two.
I just love stirring it because then that scent's like coming right back.
I know, that's why when I was like dumping it, I was like, oh, that's so good.
Yeah, I mean,
So good.
Yeah.
Okay, I think
that's
that's all for our live today. Super quick and easy. Go check out the blog post that has all the information about Friends of Animals. It also has a ton of information about Citrus Burst. It has another DIY, a foaming hand soap
Yes.
DIY, which I bought all the ingredients, was supposed to do it here, but I'm going to do it Monday, but we have that foaming hand soap DIY, so check it out. And then don't forget that every purchase of Citrus every purchase of Citrus Burst during the month of August, Plant Therapy will donate $5 to Friends of Animals. So go check out this blend. Go check out the blog post. Learn all about Friends of Animals and this blend and the DIY.
Yep.
And then make this quick and easy DIY this
Yeah.
weekend. Get your carpets all nice and clean and fresh. You'll thank us.
Yes.
Okay?
Yeah.
Happy Friday, everyone.
Happy Friday. Thanks for joining us.
Thanks for joining. Put that down and go
Have
stop.
a great weekend.